Hey everyone, welcome back to Katosh Tubes. I'm your host Paras, and in today's video I'm going to solve one of the major concerning question that you guys have, and that is how do I transact on the Pulsechain bridge or the Pulsex app if I don't have enough gas fee or PLS token to pay. So this is the question that you have, and I'm going to solve it today right away in front of your own eyes. So yes, I created a lot of video about Pulsechain in the past, telling you how you can import your tokens from Ethereum to Pulsechain, the ERC20 token standard to PRC20 token standard with ease, either using MetaMask or using Ledger wallet or directly on the Pulsex DEX. If you have missed those videos, just click on the link above and go check it out. All the videos are live and you can take a look and get educated and solve your queries. And now I'm going to tell you right away how you can do it using the free gas fee option. So I'm in front of a Pulsex DEX. Let's say I want to convert 1000 PLS to, let's say, how much? Let's say 2 hex. And if I want to do it, I will be needing PLS balance, which is the gas fee. Like Ethereum has ETH, Pulsechain has PLS. Now the problem is, how can I be able to do this? And the same problem is with this also, you can say, bridge. Even if I connect my wallet here and try to do the transaction, I have to pay the gas fee. And to do this is a simple option. So I need to go to a website called plsfaucet.com. You can see here, and here it's clearly written claim 2500 PLS today. So for your wallet it will give you 2500 PLS if you enter the address here. Remember, there is a limit. There are a lot of people who are or who wanting to claim free PLS token, but the issue is not everyone is getting at the same moment because there is a huge demand and the network gets clogged in between. So before going through it, before going through a process, just check out its contract or Twitter address. Let me show you what is there in it. So they are doing 20,000 successful PLS claims. Okay, still sending 23 transactions per minute. So they have a rate of 23 transactions per minute. And now this is an important post where they are saying, we spent 100 million PLS helping Pulsechain community members. We are closing in on 30,000 claims. So there is a limit that they are setting every day because of the network congestion issues. So it is set to 30,000 claims, what I believe, and right now it is at 29,175. So there might be a very little chance that I can get my PLS today, but this is the main website that you need to try. And let me enter my wallet address. So this is my PLS balance 0.0063, and these are the tokens that I have imported using the import function on MetaMask and PLSX. So if you want to check out that video, do remember to click on the link above or in the description of the video. So I'm going to paste it now. Just pray to God that it should work. I am not a robot. Of course I am not a robot. Motorcycles, this is a scooter, but let's see. I hate this kind of reCAPTCHAs. So I'm verified. Now I'm clicking claim. Finger crossed. So again, failed transaction because it has already reached 29k for today. So I won't get much of the chance, but again, you have to come back again and again and try it out until you get the PLS token. If you are not able to try with one wallet, try with another, but again, visit it on a regular intervals for getting free PLS. Today you can get 2500 in one day. So that's how you can get it. Remember to view the contract, which is right over here. So you can view the contract of this particular process. And moreover, if you want to check how clogged or unclogged the network is, the bridge, you can just go to plsburn.com and go to right here. It was at 45%, but now it is at 49%, which means it is cleared 49%, and still a lot of transactions are yet to be processed. So don't panic if you don't see your transaction not being processed. It will take a lot of time. There is a lot of congestion right now. And the last thing that I want to tell you is go to this pulselisting.com. This is pulselisting.com, and this website has free Pulsex to give you with free Pulsex faucet. So if I go to this, So I haven't opened this link yet, so I'm going to tell you right away. But before it also has a calculator, so you can just calculate how much return that you can get by investing in PLS. So this is a plain calculator. I hope it will help you out. And now this is the faucet. The faucet is currently paused for 24 hours. We are setting up the first round of payout. Faucet claiming will resume shortly. So this is how you can get free Pulsechain tokens, and that is how you can get free PLS tokens. So this is the video that you needed desperately and I needed desperately. So I hope you enjoyed it. I will share all the links in the description. If you like it, do remember to subscribe and do remember to thumbs up and do remember to share with the Pulsechain community. Do watch the video shared on the screen. I see you in the next video. Remember, you will be happy, you will make a lot of money and you will be successful. Thank you.